Welcome back to SMC Tutors. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can participate in the Binance Write2Earn campaign and the Creatorpad campaign. Now, these two campaigns are different. In the Write2Earn, what you just have to do is share your thoughts and ideas, like as if you're making a post on Twitter. But this time around, you're making it inside your Binance app. You share your thoughts about the market, what you think about the market, and then, depending on the criteria or the rules you follow, you make money. It's that simple. The Creatorpad campaign is a campaign that is designed for content creators. You make posts about a particular project, climb leaderboard, and at the end of the day, you receive reward from that project, either through token or stablecoin, right? Now, I will guide you through the steps on how to participate in these campaigns. Let's go. And the first thing you do is that you open your Binance app. When you open your Binance app, try and scroll up. When you scroll up, you will see this plus sign at the right hand corner of your screen. Click on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, go to this Creator Center. When you get to this Creator Center, you will see Creatorpad here. You will see Write2Earn here. Now, for some people, when you click on Write2Earn, it should show you the rules of this Write2Earn campaign, but mine has been delayed. I don't know if yours opened, but it's supposed to show you the rules of the Write2Earn. So, I will advise that before you start creating content on this Write2Earn, that you read the rules first. You go through the rules. Now, when you're done going through the rules, if you want to post, you just click on this plus sign and choose what you want to post, whether a normal post or an article or a video content. When you click on the normal post, you share your thoughts. You can see here, you share your thoughts. If you want to attach an image, you're free. If you want to add a status, maybe like, let's say BTC, you will see everything BTC. This is just it. If you want to create an article, you're free. You click on article. When you want to also create a video content, just come here and click on this video icon. You click on upload video, it will take you to your gallery. When it takes you to your gallery, you upload the video and you publish. It's that simple. Now, for the Creatorpad campaign, this is how to participate in it. Click on this Creatorpad campaign, allow it to open. You will see campaigns that are ongoing. Now, this is Bedrock. Bedrock is a blockchain project offering a multi-asset liquid stake or a staking protocol. Now, for this campaign, they're offering a total token of 600,000 BR, which is their native token. Total participants in this campaign is 27,960 participants. But you will be surprised to know that only top 500 on the leaderboard will be rewarded in this campaign. Let me show you how. That is why it is important to go through the rules of every project before you participate. Now, if you go through the rules of this project, you will see 27,000 people are already participating, and this is the leaderboard. When you check the leaderboard out, you will see, just scroll up here, you will see the top 500 creators on the BR global leaderboard. On the leaderboard snapshot date, you share the reward. What they mean is very simple. Top 500 will receive the reward, will be eligible. So, when you create content, when you want to start first, what you do is that you just go back here. You should see go. Click on that go. It will also take you inside this Binance app where you will follow Binance Square account. Come back here. You will see completed. Follow on social media. When you click on go, follow on social media. It will take you to X. Inside this Binance app, I will advise you log in your account inside the Binance app. It's very secure. When you log in your account, it should automatically connect to Binance. So, you follow Binance Square on Twitter. Return back, you will see completed. Now, the next thing you do is click on go. This is where you create your content. But before you create your content, I will assume that you must have gone through the project and make your normal research on what the project is all about. You try to focus more on the utility of this project. Try to focus more on the utility, their long-term vision. Every project wants you to elaborate more on their utility, what they're offering, what the problem they're solving. So, when you create content on this type of project, you focus on these aspects, right? And then you create your content. When you're done creating your content, if you want to attach an image, you're free. You click on this image icon, upload photo, you upload. When you're done uploading, you post. When you're done making your post, every 12 a.m., because it's not just a one-day something, it's something you have to, do every day. When you're done making your post, come back to this leaderboard every 12 a.m. to check how many points you acquired. You see, I'm ranked 4,995. on the leaderboard. These are the points, and I believe that your position on the leaderboard depends on how many points you acquire. So you can check this point breakdown here. This is the points I acquired. This is it, right? This is it. So the campaign started on 2026, 1st June. I acquired 0 points secondly. I've not yet written any content. I've not created any content for this project, right? I will also advise you to go through the rules as well, so that you don't make mistakes. You don't violate any rules when creating your content on this particular project. This is it. When you're done going through the rules, these are the replies. You can return back. So every 12 a.m., come back and check how many points you've accumulated. Your points depend on many things like solid replies, real accounts replying you, the views you have, engagement you have as well, right? Engagement you have as well. There are also strategies to get views. I would advise you the best way to get quicker views is to also engage on people that are here, people that are topping the leaderboard. Make sure that you engage everyone. Make sure that you comment on their posts, like just be visible everywhere. When you do it, some people will tell you, follow back, comment back, like back. When you're doing it, the more real your engagement is, and the more real your post is, the more points you acquire, you know. If you also want to participate in the other one, which is Genius. Genius is offering 100,000 tokens as reward. Also, the same strategy. Click on Genius. The same thing. Go to the rules. When you're done going through the rules, check the leaderboard. You check the criteria, and I click on Join Campaign Now. You will see. Okay, you see. Go, go, and go. This is exactly what happened in the previous Bedrock that I was showing you. So this is just it. It's also the same thing. They're rewarding 39,000 people is already participating. They're rewarding top 400 creators. So you can go ahead and do things like this. Then when the campaign ends, this is where you see your reward. You can see your reward. You can check for reward in two places. Either you click on tips, you go to post, and check if you received reward through the post you made, or through the videos you made, or through others. If you don't see anything here, go to Reward Hub. Click on Reward Hub. You will either see your reward. That is if you qualify though. If you're on the leaderboard, you will either see your reward through the task, through my tasks or my vouchers, or Reward Shop. This is just it. Either Reward Shop, or my vouchers, or my task. So this is just it. I believe you understand this video, and we'll be rolling out more tutorial videos on how to make money in the crypto market. Ensure to follow us, turn on our notifications, click on the like button as well, and see you next time. Thank you.